As concierge, we're always planning ahead and looking out for our guests' best interests. We are professional travel planners after all. If you're looking for a smoother travel experience on your next trip, here are my 5 tips on how to think like a concierge. Plan the necessities. If nothing else, plan where you're going to stay and how you're going to get there. Everything else is filler. When it comes to bookings, book directly with the source. Or have your travel agent reserve directly, from hotels to restaurants, to avoid a multitude of issues. Always have a plan B. Concierge usually provide guests with 3 options, so have options for yourself in case you're tired or the weather isn't in your favor. Be patient. If there's one thing I've learned as a concierge, it's to be patient. Travel is stressful, and patience, as they say, is a virtue. Find the memorable moments. Do things a little differently so your experience is unique to you and your family. So there you have it. Those are my tips on how to think like a concierge. If you have a few tips, be sure to share them with us in the comments section below. And until next time, travel happy.